today we are in the dog patch of San Francisco. Honestly, it's filled with all of these warehouses, but we are here at RH. I think it's called Palm House RH. It's pretty new in San Francisco. It's this huge building, but it's in the middle of kind of nowhere. I know there are some new apartment buildings right there, which are pretty cool, and some new apartment buildings all around, but this building, I guess, is an old building that was restored. It looks like it. And gonna meet my mom here for some brunch. Hopefully there's some good food. From what I saw online, it looks like there's way better food than the one in Napa and the one in Marin and Chicago. Looks like those have pretty much the same menus, but this place looks like it has a different menu, so let's check it out. Showing the menu. So we got the, what do we get? We got the Caviar, some burrata, and then there's fries on this side. And then this is where we're sitting. Caviar. Oh, eggs, chives, onions, and then burrata. Here's the aftermath. Some of these last bits. Alright, round two, some avocado toast. Yum. Comes with potatoes. I think that's a hard-boiled egg with some pepper. Yeah, it's hard-boiled egg. And truffle fries. Maybe we should ask for some ketchup. No ketchup?
No, it's good with this. Aioli. What?
Just aioli.
You feel like ketchup?
And hot sauce. Ooh, it's nice and yolky inside. Walking around some of these rooms after eating, so we sat in the dining room. And I'm just walking around these really cool display rooms, showrooms. Cool chair. This statue. Really nice bedroom here. Nice. It's like a museum. Look at this big mirror. Such a museum in here. Each room goes into like the next, and it's so beautifully designed. And look at this guy. This building was restored. I don't know what building it is, but It's like in the middle of the dog patch, and if you know the dog patch in San Francisco, it's kind of in the middle of nowhere. And there we go. This is another bar over here. Back to the dining area. More rooms here to peek through. Food is really good. The ambiance is really good. And I feel like the prices are really good, so I would recommend it. Came downstairs. This is where they have their, like, I don't know, drapery. More cool things, carpets. More couches. Yeah. And here's the outside. The guy at the door said it was a steel building. Bethlehem Steel Building.